What's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Yes, welcome back to Vlogmas number 18. Yes, welcome, guys. To those watching for the first time, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking and for watching this video. All right, yes. So, if I look sweaty and oily, we just have to come out of the kitchen. The heat is on. All right, that's that. Yes. I just make something to eat. It's like night. It's like after 10 now. I just eat dinner like, whew. Yes, because I work today. And after in the evening, but after 6 I go sleep. I wake up back after 9 and then go in the kitchen and fry a piece of chicken and some wedges. If you eat like now after 10. Yeah. Cause me tired, man, me tired and sleep just took me over. Yeah. So never make no video for Vlogmas. So I just have to come and give a quick check-in, alright? Yes. Don't mind me eating, alright? There was no there. Definitely no bite. So alright, take on a bite. Yeah, mommy tell me that I go sleep. I get about 3 hours sleep in the evening, yeah. Problem is now when I fall asleep back. That's the problem now. What time I go back on my bed, I have work in the morning again. What time I go sleep? For work. So I know I go kind of sleep deprived in the morning. When time I go work, them time I go want to go sleep. Alright, yeah, take on a bite of chicken. Alright. So, I can't say I'm not share with them, alright? I'm just going to chat to them. I know not taste it, I know not taste it. Let's come figure a quick check-in. Well, I never buy a film when time I cook, I just go through it. I want to stop and pause when I start video and all of that. Too hungry for that. In time I go. I mean, I want to pass 12 o'clock, I mean, I eat. So, that kind of hurry up for done. So I can come sit down and talk to me while I eat. And taste good. I'm not going to eat more than 2 pieces of chicken because it's late. And a chicken breast I fry. I get like 6 pieces out of the chicken breast. So, let's have eat 2 pieces. I'm going to eat more for the wedges. Me hear you, you know? Me hear you. I'm not crave. Me hear you. No, I'm not craving. Okay. So, oh, no Christmas shopping going on. What do Vlogmas on the Vlogmas going on? All the Christmas preparation and all of that. That. I can say Christmas not keep for me this year, but you know, still after them look Christmas cleanup. Yeah. So I have to do that, not all that. But yeah, shopping and all of that. All of that. So, you know, it's not keep your way for people. From financially, some because of the oil, Vago and pandemic and everything. People not in a mood and the curfew and all of that everything. So it's not the Christmas that everybody normally have this year. No. some people still making the best of it, right? And still enjoying them Christmas, which is good, you know. Some people still have them Christmas vibes and mood and making the best of it, which is good. I will be making the best of it with my belly. Just want a food, I'm a good. Food, I'm a good. Oh yeah. I'm gonna feel so bad, I feel like 90% better. But I'm gonna lie, I feel 90% better, which is good. Very, very good. Yeah. Yeah. Just again, I don't want to eat now. Eat my food late. I'm gonna wake up in the morning and feel sick. So, you don't know. Yeah. I'm very child. I'm gonna buy it too. Let's have a quick chat with you. I'm gonna try for vlog tomorrow when I'm outside at work. Hopefully I get a vlog. Hopefully. So check back with you tomorrow. Check back in with you tomorrow. I don't know. So Vlogmas number 19 tomorrow. So I will see you all. Thank you for the good chat. Thank you for sitting and eat with me. I hope you enjoy the meal as well because I'm sure enjoying it. So I will open the belly full too. Alright? So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye guys.